Hello and thank you for visiting us here at StopMyTrusteeSale.com and OccupyYourForeclosure.com. My name is Elon Mas and I want to briefly go over the online guide for homeowner in foreclosure and how is it good for you to read. This book contains a little bit about my history and my record so you can understand how did I collect so much knowledge and experience in the field, and then also a little bit about the history of what's going on with foreclosure in our country today and in the last couple of years and where is it going to go in the near future. The next paragraph in the book is mentality. Fight the enemy. And your mentality have to be set based on where you are, who you're dealing with, what's your purpose, what's their purpose. And without knowing all those things, you will not be able to build the right mentality you have to be in. If someone is attacking you and you're sitting there and say, oh, that's okay, I'm fine, I didn't do anything wrong, they'll probably not touch me, all of a sudden it's too late for you to protect yourself, then that's a wrong mentality for you to be in when you are under attack. Here in foreclosure, we are under attack. And I want to set the right mentality for you so you'll have more power and energy to get up every morning and to fight the enemy. And yes, the banks are the enemy. The next paragraph is legality. Well, we all did not go to law school unless we are attorneys, right? So we are having a little situation here and there's a lot of things we're not sure we understand what does it mean. And here in this paragraph, I'm showing you and explaining you on a very basic level and also on a professional level, what does it mean to be owner of a house? Or what does it mean for the bank to be the owner of the notes of mortgage, the owner of your mortgage? What does it really mean? Because real estate is the house outside that is built from cement and blocks, and then whatever's behind it is paperwork, it's legal stuff. We don't really know about it much. So that's what we're going to deal with in this paragraph. Will give us confidence that we know more of what's going on. The next paragraph is process starting. What does it mean to me? What's going to happen next? No surprises for you. That's the idea of this paragraph. We're going to talk about the plenty mail you're going to get in your box. We're going to talk about the plenty phone calls. We're going to get communication from the bank attorney department, maybe the trustee company that is servicing the bank. Maybe it could be the foreclosure department of the bank, could be loan modification department. Well, and other than them, there will be many other individuals, including local real estate agents and brokers, local attorneys, and other individuals who are dealing with foreclosure and offering you their services. You need to know what to read and how to read it and what is going to happen next, basically, no surprises. The next paragraph we're going to read about in the book, the online book, is my goals. What is the reason for you to do something? What is the goal? Where do you want to reach? And without the good reason why and where we want to go, nothing will be done. Not you will do anything for yourself, not your friends, your family will want to do it together with you. And in that paragraph, I'm going to lay out many different goals that so many homeowners I worked with have laid out for themselves and the reason why. And what we're going to do in this paragraph is you're going to find the one that is right for you. Because dealing with so many homeowners, some of them have been in the exact situations that you are in now, and they had the same personality and the same ideas and the same solutions that you're looking for yourself now. So learn and see different options. The next paragraph is the auction sale have already happened. Either a trustee sale or a foreclosure sale in the courthouse, and there was a buyer who purchased your home, or maybe the bank has purchased the home because there was no buyer who were offering anything, and automatically the bank is the buyer. And this have already happened, which means you've been too late to press on the trigger and protect yourself. But now there's still some tools and moves you can make to protect yourself, and in many cases we managed to reverse sales backwards and to dismiss the sales that have happened in your foreclosure case. Very important paragraph for people who lost their home. Very possible that you have a solution. Don't give up yet. The next paragraph in the book is talking about multiple properties owner who have foreclosure. In many cases, you will have foreclosure on 2, 3, 4, 5 properties at the same time. And what you want to do is do a lot of planning and structuring to put this as a package and to do right timing with everything you're managing on each property individually. So overall, your protection of those properties will be effective and will take long time. So in the meantime, you can keep manage those properties and finding the right solution for each one of them. You may be able to keep all of them, you may be able to keep some of them, but you have to do a lot of planning and structuring. Don't give up. Don't say, oh, I don't live in this property and I just gonna let it go. Let the bank take it. I'll keep the one I live in. No, you work too hard to find this property. You put your money in it, time and energy. Now it's time for you to get back what you put in and to do the best out of it. That's a winner's choice. After that, we're going to talk about the vacant property in foreclosure. In that case, you have a property which is in foreclosure and it's not occupied, it is vacant. And you need to make sure that you keep the possession on that property. And we're going to talk about it in very detail. And then we're going to finish with the paragraph that is talking about how come this book is giving you directions and solutions that you can find nowhere else. And I mean nowhere else. Well, I'm as a professional, I'm digging very deep every time when I get into a situation and I want to find and know more and more and more and more. That's the way I was educated. I don't know, that's the way I am. Some professionals, they dig up to a certain level. They cannot spread out to so many different aspects of that same profession. Well, I want to tell you, there's a lot of things that I understand in a very deep level and know how to solve problems in foreclosure. I did it for too long with too many homeowners. I want to assign you that information and I want to explain to you how come this book is the one that you want to invest your time and money in and then work with us. The cost of the book is $29.99, but that's include, after reading the book, 30 minutes free coaching session with me, one-on-one on the phone. In this coaching session, I will show you basic planning of your foreclosure, the next move you need to do right away, the moves you want to do after that. Well, 30 minutes is limited amount of time, but it is a lot of time. And after you read the book, you'll be very focused. You will know what you want to do, and I want to work with you. At the end of those 30-minute sessions, you can get the right plan for you, how to continue on your own or to continue working with us in order to fight your foreclosure and to get the best out of it. And there is a lot that you can get by fighting your foreclosure. Thank you very much for watching us today. I want to thank you for watching this movie. I explain about the online guide for homeowner in foreclosure, available for purchase here on this website. Really the price is worth it, $29, and you can get out of it education that will be worth for you in the short or long run many thousands of dollars. And yes, I can guarantee it. I know it will work for you. I know we're going to direct you to do better. Have a great day.